Do you want to save your ChatGPT conversations forever? This video will show you how to easily download and save them as a PDF. We will be going through two different methods of saving your conversations, and the first one is by using the ChatGPT application itself. I have a little conversation about 10 interesting Spain facts, and what if I want to save this whole conversation as PDF? We'll first access our side menu by tapping the two horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen, and that will then show us a history list of all our ChatGPT conversations. I'm now going to long press on the current conversation which I want to save, and this conversation will be highlighted if it is selected. So after I long press, tap on this Share Chat option, and this will open the share sheet for us. Once the share sheet opens, you'll want to look for the Print option, and if you find it, just tap on it, and then your conversation will be converted into a PDF file. You won't have to go through the whole process. Just go over to the Print page, and once on the Print page, click on the Share icon, and then save your PDF to the Files app. But if you don't see the Print option for some reason, we want to exit the official ChatGPT application and then go over to the web browser. Our job here is to open the ChatGPT website and then log into your ChatGPT account. Once you log in and you open the conversation which you need, then what you have to do is to take a screenshot, then go over to this full page, and maybe you'll have to do this a couple of times depending on the length of your conversation. So take a full page screenshot, then tap on Done, and you'll have an option to save this as a PDF to Files. So just tap on the button, save your PDF to the Files app, and that's it. If you have another way of saving ChatGPT conversations as PDF files, please leave them in the comments down below, and I will see you soon.